Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have SOUNDCORE Liberty 3 Pro headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily use default gestures. So as you can see here in our application, we have in single tap we have this disabled, but if we enable this, if we tap on our left one, which is over here, we can decrease the volume level, and if we click plus, the right one, we can increase the volume level. And apart from that, we have double tap. Double tap, we will play and pause our music on our right one and go to the next one using our left one. To do so, we have to test it. As you can see, if I double tap on my right one, I am pausing and pausing the music. But if I want to go to the next song, I have to double tap on my left. Now, as you can see, if we go to our application, we have hold for 2 seconds. Using hold for 2 seconds, we can easily manage ambient sound and noise cancellation transparency. So, if you want to enable transparency mode, we have to hold on one of these two earbuds for 2 seconds, our touch panel. And apart from that, we have triple tap, and on the triple tap the default option is volume plus or volume minus, but we can go to the preset or the next song. We can just modify our gestures over here. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.